What up, YouTube? You already know what it is, what it is. It's your boy Dylan. I'm back with another video, and today, y'all, I'm gonna be reacting to DDG's new car tour. The man got a Lamborghini, y'all, and I ain't gonna do too much talking because I don't want this to be a long video, and I know you don't want to sit here the whole time and watch me react to this. You know what I'm saying? But if you do, enjoy the show just like I'm gonna enjoy this man new Lamborghini. This is inspirational, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is dope to see somebody come from nothing and get a whole Lamborghini truck. You know what I'm saying? By the age of before the age of 25. So, you know what I'm saying? This is dope. We're on the road to 4K though, so let's get up there. You know, we can be like this one day if y'all, you know what I'm saying? If we just keep, you know what I'm saying? Keep going.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back with your boy DDG No Car. Today is a beautiful morning. I woke up this morning and I was like, I want a Lambo today. So I'm about to go get one, man. So, you know, my birthday is in like 5 days or 4 days or something like that. So I'm spoiling myself early. I wanted this other Lambo truck the other day and somebody sold it as soon as I was finna go get it. So I decided I'm finna just hurry up, get up, go grab this, get it over with, and get straight to it, man. It's a very, very beautiful blessing. I want y'all to know, even though I might flex, even though I might, you know, come off as arrogant, that's just me really trolling where I'm really grateful for the position that I'm in. And I'm very, very thankful for y'all being a part of this journey. And I love y'all. But it ain't gonna hit me till I drive off in that hole. But it gonna be lit, man. Smash the like button. DDG caught the Lambo. I like race and Lamborghinis, no doubt. Hey, turn that music on. Bruh. Life came to the shit. Lambos and fuck. High foot creep. Walking with the heater. Look around. Stay down. Make sure they don't see. Which one? This one? This one? I don't like the color. Okay. Man, I ain't gonna lie. These cars is sick. That's nasty. I wouldn't even want this. 667,000. You can't go nothing. This is what I don't get. Why people be getting super duper fast cars. Yeah, what's up? Good, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm ready to get a car. I'm ready to get this car right here. So what we need to do? But I was saying, bro, we can't go nothing but 65 miles per hour. What's the point of getting a car that goes 260? I never got that. Y'all niggas be trying to be racers, but it's illegal. So that's my piece, but this is crazy. Do anybody be buying these? People be buying these?
Hey, matter of fact, I just seen Tusi with this car. I don't even, yeah. It's nice and all, but...
Big one this morning.
This morning you saw one of these?
Pre-owned one.
For how much?
For $690.
$690. I would never. Maybe one day. Alright, how much is this? 3.7 million. Alright. Okay.
2.7 million?
That ain't my range right now, bro.
Uzi got one of them.
Crazy. You can't get in that bitch. They said no. Alright, y'all. I just did all the paperwork, man. Crazy how I ended up with the Lamborghini store and in my song, my hit song, Moonwalking in Calabasas, that you gonna stream all day today. Well, and I said I don't even like them. That's how you know I be lying and shit. Cause I like them now. I wasn't even trying to cop, but I'm finna cop on everything. Give me this one. I need this one.
You want this one?
Yeah, I need this one.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Alright. Alright, thank you.
Anything else I can help you?
Nah, I just grabbed that one. That's like $1,200, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too much. I don't even bend no more. Shopping for my birthday shit. I want to buy this bag.
That's already bad.
It's $3 though. They tripping. I gotta be swagged out for my birthday, so gotta fuck with the Dior. How much is this? Let's see how much this is. Oh. Wait a second. Alright, y'all, I did a little bit of shopping for my birthday. Y'all know my birthday on the 10th, but every day of October is. I'm about to go pick up the Lambo right now.
You say every day what?
Every day my birthday. So what you do yesterday for your birthday? Ain't do shit. Shut your water bottle head ass up. Every day my birthday. You a badass bitch.
Dumb green, bro.
Birthday, bitch. What the fuck? I got a birthday.
It's real life. Oh, it's real life. Real life. It's gotta be real. Alright, cool. I don't need no extras.
Bro, like, this is inspirational to watch, to see like somebody else come from nothing, get the dream car that they wanted as a kid, bro. It's pretty dope.
So this one here is going to say, it should do.
Fucked up dread hat. Sir, man. I like racing Lamborghini. Man, no regular day. This ain't no regular day. Regular day, man. Regular day, man. October 50th. I know I do it every year. But my birthday is in 5 more days, but I wanted to drive this when I pull up to the jet. Yeah. No cap. No cap. No cap.
What you got under there, bro? What you get?
Man, I don't even know, man. One of them. One of them.
Oh, you bought a mystery car?
Mystery car, what is it? Can't even see.
You don't even allow
I
to see.
don't even know which one it is, man. Light work, actually, no cap.
No God.
Hey, man. First went from the I-8. I went from the Oldsmobile to 02. Old I used to whip.
Bruh. He came from an Oldsmobile. I came from one too, y'all. Like, I had an 04 Mitsubishi Galant. I called it the what did I call it? I called that bitch the Maybach, man. It's different when you come from nothing.
I cried that night when
He forgot his lyrics.
yeah, like Lambo, yeah.
See, you stupid.
Started off with the 02, went to the Jeep. Gave the Jeep to my mama. Got rid of the Oldsmobile. Fucked around, got an I-8. You got the I-8. Got another I-8. G-Wagon. Rolls Royce. Now I got a Lambo. You upgrade next time about a spaceship. Alright.
Spaceship.
We're gonna do the reveal of the vehicle right now. Brand new Lamborghini. You can probably take a guess what it is. Did I just rip it off? Yeah. Mark, get set.
That big clean.
Rizzy Root. So I decided to go with the chocolate interior.
But the interior, ain't gonna lie, the peanut butter is like a peanut butter. It's peanut butter, I think. Or is it brown? To me, it looks peanut butter right now. But this is a hard ass interior.
Thanks, real. We get to ride in a Lambo when we leave, bro. What them niggas doing?
Hey, listen. Come check it out. We might as well do a car tour over here because you know I don't do YouTube.
Let him do the car tour. Let him tell you all the details,
Okay.
specs.
Can you tell us the specs of the vehicle?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, the exterior color on this one's called Grigio Lynx.
Okay.
It's got the upgraded 23-inch wheels.
Rizio Lynx. I gotta put that in the song.
Yeah, so it's a metallic.
Regio Link.
Lynx in the lamb. You talking to me about
Then we got the wheels are diamond cut.
Regio Links in the lamb.
I ain't got them on today.
Yeah, it's a little same.
Oh, snap on.
There we go.
Yeah, that's it. That's about the same.
That's a walk. I mean, that's
There you go, with diamond cut.
wasn't funny. Here you go.
Nah.
And so overall, this car is 650 horsepower. Wow.
I don't know what that is.
625 foot-pounds of torque. So the car absolutely flies. All-wheel drive, V8, air suspension, so it lowers up in the remote drive mode you're in. Absolute beast.
Wow.
You can have a lot of fun.
Okay.
So 0 to 60, what is it?
0 to 60, people say it's about 3.2, but really it's closer to 3, to be honest.
3 what?
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Wow.
He didn't even know. He's so confused about some. What?
Very
So-
quick.
Okay. Let's check out the inside, man.
I'm gonna get the back.
That bit's so hard, bro.
Here, Terrell, come on, bro. Leather interior.
So this is one of the upgraded interiors called Elegante interior.
Elegante.
Write it down. I have to write it down.
Terra Asia Vintage, which is the brown, and then we got the QC Tura hexagon stitching.
QC 4PF.
Then we got the different driving modes here. So depending on what mode you're in, it'll raise or lower on the air suspension.
What's the best mode?
The most fun you're gonna have here in Corsa, which is track mode. It's gonna be the loudest and the stiffest, most fun to drive.
Okay.
You got a panoramic sunroof above you.
Oh, I ain't noticed, man. Panoramic roof.
And,
I had that in Kevin Gates.
2 touchscreens.
Oh, man. Oh, touchscreen.
So the bottom's
Put it
gonna
on
be
one end.
climate control. So like your AC, heated seats, massage chairs,
Crazy.
Oh, ain't no buttons on here.
all touch.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Up here's infotainment. You got Apple CarPlay. You got your iPhone. So that will plug in and mirror your phone.
Okay.
You also have wireless charging.
Whoa.
So put it right here on this pad.
Oh, it charges. Somebody give me your phone.
It might work with the case on. Try it.
It's T-Mobile. T-Mobile don't usually work like that. Okay.
That bit's hard as hell.
Got an SD card just because I want to edit. Final Cut Pro.
And the brown steering wheel. Not a lot of the cars have the matching wheel to the interior. They're usually always black. So it's a nice
beautiful.
touch.
Yeah. Beautiful vehicle.
Here's some information.
I'm going to go through it and all that, but I'm ready to take it.
Let you go have some fun. That's what it's all about, right?
Yeah, let's take it home. New Lambo alert. New Lambo alert.
That bit's so hard, bro. Look how clean that hole look, bro.
This is on some GTA shit, bro. This is crazy. Oh my god. This is my whole back seat, y'all. I gotta get rid of this, man. I don't need that. I've been throwing stuff away for the past 30 minutes.
Alright. Here.
Okay.
Goes here. And this plugs into this part of the battery.
Okay.
Just like that. And then this plugs into the wall.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got to charge.
Keep
Oh.
the battery fresh.
Correct.
Gotcha. Don't even say anything. It's not even like that, bro. I told you. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is something that I informed you about when I was at the Mercedes-Benz dealership or whatever. When you stuttering, because you know you're fucking wrong, girl. You're fucking wrong. You're fucking wrong, girl.
This nigga's stupid, bro.
That is crazy. You really got that right there? This is it. This is us. This is us, bro. That's wild, bro. Hold on, let me see if I can see Deja. That's him. That's crazy.
How?
That's wild. Is he a cartoon though? Nah, he in real life.
Hold on.
Nah, he in real life.
Bro, how?
That's wild. Is he a cartoon though? Nah, he in real life.
And then just click
Oh shit! This is crazy. Wait.
It's a massage chair?
Nah, this is wild. I'm in massage right now. This is crazy. Okay, how did you get to that? My bad. I'm trying.
You just press on the seat. So I'll turn it off. Now click it.
Oh wow. Pulse.
And then you can adjust the intensity by just pressing.
That's lit. That's lit. That's dope. Attention, everybody! I just bought a Lambo. This is a Lamb. Sir, this is a Lamb. This is a Lamb truck. Everybody, pay attention, bitch. I just bought a Lamb truck. This is a Lamb. This is a Lamb, guys. That's fucking work. This is a Lamb. Sir, this is a Lamb. All right, y'all. That's the end of this vlog, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very satisfied with my car. I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna get these windows tinted. I'm gonna get it right.
Yes, sir.
Pivot out, man. This is the beginning of my birthday, the prelude. I wanted the Lambo truck, so I went and got it, man. It's gonna speed. It's gonna fuck up time, bro. But y'all, I just posted a picture on Instagram. My Instagram is Pontiac Made DDG. I want 1 million likes on the picture for my birthday. That's all I want. So I need every single one of y'all watching this right now. Go to my Instagram and just smash the like button on my last picture. Let's get 1 million likes. Let's aim for it. Let's get it. That's all I want for my birthday. I don't want nothing else. You ain't gotta buy me nothing. You go like my picture, man. Repost it or something. Come on now. 1 million likes on my picture. I love you. This is just the prelude. I got so much more list stuff going on for my birthday. Damn near DDG Tober, DDG birthday. I got a vlog.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. You already know.
So I'm gonna give y'all a few vlogs and stuff. So,
Dang.
I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Go to my Instagram. Go like the picture.